morning or good afternoon, depending upon where you are. This is Jill for Day, and obviously I'm not Jill, but I'm in Jill's kitchen, and normally I'm on the other side of the camera, but today I've been relegated to helping you make vegan peanut butter cookies. Now, anything with peanut butter in it is okay with me. So first I'd like to show you what ingredients we'll be using. Here's our dry ingredients. And into this bowl, I put 1 2/3 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So here in the bowl, I put 1/2 cup of vegan margarine, and 1/3 cup brown sugar, and a 1/2 cup of white sugar. We'll set that aside. And then we are also going to need 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, and I have our vegan egg, which includes a tablespoon of flax seed ground up and 3 tablespoons of water, and then you just mix it up till it gets a little thick and slurry. And then of course we have the star of the whole cookie, peanut butter. And what we're going to be using is 3/4 cup of peanut butter. So let's get started and make some cookies. Okay, we've got our bowl on our mixer with our brown sugar, white sugar, and vegan butter in there. We've got the beater bar in there. We're going to lift this up, and then we're going to beat these wet ingredients until they're creamed and fluffy. Should take about 3 minutes, we'll see. And there's very little ingredients actually in this bowl, so you're gonna need to stop it periodically and push some of the, especially the butter, down from the side of the bowl or off the beater bar, because it's all tending to glump up and we want it to mix smoothly and be creamy and fluffy, and thus far that's not happening. But I've been assured that it will. So let me get this off. We'll push some of this off and start her back up again. All right, we're almost there. This is creamed and getting fluffy. I think that's about it, so we'll take a look at it. I don't know if you can see it, but nice and creamy and fluffy. Okay, so now it's time for us to add the flax seed egg, which we're going to do here. As you can see, I'm very unaccustomed to doing anything in the kitchen. Okay, along with the flax seed, we have 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, so we'll put that in there. And now that we've added that, we're going to beat it until it's really well mixed. So here we go again. All right, so now we've mixed in our vanilla and our flaxseed egg, and it's now time to add the star of the show, the peanut butter. So we're gonna put in that luscious peanut butter, and this is organic peanut butter. As you can see, it's unaccustomed as I am to being in the kitchen, but I'll make it. Confidence is high. I don't want to lose a drop of this stuff because I'm absolutely in love with it and have been since I was a little kid. Peanut butter and jam sandwiches with a few potato chips in it. On the healthiest of all breads, Wonder White bread. All right, we have that in there now, and what we're going to do is we're going to beat this until it's all combined. All right, that's all combined now, and I've got to tell you, the aroma from the peanut butter is driving me crazy. It's time for us to add our dry ingredients, And we're going to get those over, and that is our flour and our soda and our salt, and we're going to put that into the bowl. Okay, that's all in the bowl now. And we're going to mix this until it's just combined. All right, there it is. Our mixture is all mixed well, and we're ready to move on to the next step. What I do is I want to take this mixture, put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and let it cool. And while it's cooling, I'm going to turn on my oven to 350 degrees and let it preheat. So we'll be back in about 30 minutes. Okay, we're going to go into the cookie dough, which is quite stiff. And what we're going to do is just take that melon baller, get out some cookie dough, and what you want to do is take it, put it in your hands, and roll it into a ball, like so. And we dip it in sugar. You want to get it all covered with sugar. I know there's a temptation to pop it into your mouth right now, but don't do that. Put that on your baking sheet, and then you want to take a fork and press it, both sides, not too hard. I have a tendency to overpress, but there you go. And we'll do another. And they will vary in size depending upon how big you scoop. Just keep rolling them into a ball. You want them to make sure they're together and not falling apart before you press them. Cover it with sugar. And then we put it on the cookie sheet and we press, again, not too hard. And these will expand as they cook. And I'm going to finish up this tray and then we'll be back. Okay, so we're just going to continue the process where I mold the cookies, put them in the sugar and on the cookie sheet, and press them. And then I'm going to put them in the oven for about 12 minutes and then we'll be back to see how they turned out. See you soon. All right, Jill Ferday is here, and she will be doing all further cooking shows.
No, you did great. He said, I can't do this. I said, yes, you can. You're doing
disaster. Great. But on to the subject at hand.
Oh, they smell so good, don't they?
Ooh, yeah,
I'm going to hold that up there.
Peanut butter cookie.
Yeah.
It does. It smells amazing.
Excellent texture.
Crispy, yet chewy on the inside.
Very nice texture.
Great peanut flavor. Wow.
And I said to him, and it's true, I said, when you can make a cookie this delicious with a vegan butter and a flaxseed egg, really, why use butter and eggs?
I hate it when she talks treason like that.
I'm going to push them into that plant-based world if I have to.
You know, I could take these, smear a little jam on them, put them between 2 pieces of white bread, and be a happy camper.
I will have the recipe and the instructions down below. It really is your straightforward peanut butter cookie.
Yeah, make these. They're great.
Excellent. And I'm making a bunch of these for our little Christmas tins, but I'm sure some will end up in our cookie jar. There won't be any that
make it to the Christmas tins.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Tell your friends, subscribe.
And next time it'll be better because Jill Ferday will be doing the cooking.
I think you're shortchanging yourself. I think you did really. I do. I think you did really well. All right, everybody. Take care. Thanks a lot.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Eat cookies.
Oh, eat cookies. Bye.